Here we have another example on kinematics using polar coordinates. We have here the driver of the car maintains a constant speed of 40 meters per second, and we want to find the angular velocity of the camera here tracking the car when this angle is 15 degrees, right? This R here is the relation between the radial position and the angle, right? Okay, so now we can start solving this question by realizing that what we have here, the 40 meters per second, is the magnitude, right, of the velocity, which is the speed. And in polar coordinate system, we have v to be equal to the square root of vr square plus v theta square, right? The angular velocity in this system is simply the theta dot. So this is whenever we have been asked to find the angular velocity, is theta dot, right? So now let us break down this formula here. So I'm going to square both sides. So I have now v square equal vr square plus v theta square equal. Now vr in the polar coordinate, let me remind you, it is just simply r dot, and v theta is r theta dot. Okay, now substituting this into this equation and squaring both quantities, so we'll have, this will be r dot square plus r theta dot and square on both of them. Okay, so now we will have simply this r dot square. I'm just going to remove the bracket here, plus r square theta dot square. So now we are looking to find theta dot. Okay. Okay, now what do we have? R here is given. So we need to take the time derivative for this. We need to take r dot. So let me do it here. R dot simply is going to be 100, right? Cosine, the derivative for cosine 2 theta, the time derivative will be simply 2 theta dot, right, times the derivative of cosine 2 theta, which will be simply negative sine 2 theta. Okay, now this will give us negative 200 theta dot sine 2 theta. Okay, and now we are going to plug this into the equation here. Remember, this is just the 40, the v square here, the magnitude, which is our speed. So now we will have 40 equals to negative 200 theta dot sine 2 theta square, right, plus, now r dot, I mean here, this is the r dot square, right? Now here plus r square, right? So here we are just going to square this quantity here. So we'll have plus 100 cos 2 theta square times theta dot square. Remember that we need to find this, right? Theta dot. Okay, so now we can just take this as a, we can solve this equation for theta dot, and that will give us the answer. So now if we solve this for theta dot, I will have theta dot equal, I will do the numerical calculation at the end. I'm just going to here to simplify this expression. So I will have this to be 4 square over 200 square sine square 2 theta plus 100 square cosine square 2 theta. Okay, and now if we replace theta here by 15 degrees, the angle that we need to find the angular velocity at, then now we'll have our answer in radian per second to be 0.302 radian per second. So that's it for this video. Please support the channel by liking and sharing the video, and also you can let us know in the comment section if you have questions or suggestions. Thank you.